In this Argos Support video, we will give you advice for using your fridge freezer. Firstly, it is important to leave space around your fridge freezer. You should leave 15 centimeters either side of the fridge and 30 centimeters on top and behind. To correctly level your fridge freezer, get a second person to assist in tilting the appliance one way. Rotate the feet clockwise to heighten and anti-clockwise to lower. Gently lower the fridge freezer and repeat on the other side. Some fridge freezers are not designed for garages or outbuildings. Please check the instruction manual to see what temperature range your fridge should be used at. It is important to defrost your freezer when the ice has built up so much that it is difficult to fit food in. Additionally, your freezer will use more electricity if the ice has built up. To defrost your freezer, start by unplugging it from the mains. Then, place towels around the fridge freezer to soak up any water whilst it is defrosting. Leave the freezer door open until the solid ice starts to melt away from the walls and top of freezer. Remove the freezer compartments and allow the ice to melt off. Once the ice has melted, thoroughly clean the drawers and inside of the freezer with warm water. Ensure the compartment drawers and inside of the freezer is dry before adding the compartments and switching the fridge freezer on. We recommend defrosting your freezer whenever you notice that the ice has built up noticeably. It is important to note that the min position makes the inside of the fridge warmer and the max position colder. We recommend setting the fridge to the mid position. However, if the condensation turns to ice, you should adjust the temperature on the thermostat. Slightly increase the temperature until ice no longer forms. Please note that it is normal to have condensation on the inside of the appliance, especially on the inner rear wall. If you notice water collecting in the bottom of the fridge, the drain hole may be blocked. Use a skewer or something similar to unblock the drain hole so the water can drain through. Your fridge freezer is now ready to use.